The night time is definitely nicer and warmer here than it was down in Bobula.
Well, the last few days we haven't exactly had sunshine, blue skies. We've had lots of wind, a bit of rain, but today it looks like the wind's died off. There's a bit of blue sky. Have to make its way out, so we're going to get the cameras and go shoot some B-roll.
We've turned up to where you can get the canoe to go paddle up into Ruri, Blue Hole.
Hey guys.
Are you our paddlers? Yeah, nice.
I want to do some filming with the drone, sort of following the boat.
So we want to put a drone
So we might have to stop a couple of times.
So we are heading to one of the blue holes, Ruri. It's Ruri, yeah, Blue Hole. And one of the really cool ways that you can get there is you can come and see these guys just before the entrance to Ruri. It's just near the bridge. On the road, and they will paddle you up this crystal clear, amazing blue river that leads into Ruri.
Way back in.
Way
back in.
Way back in. And that's your traditional boat, is it?
Yeah.
This is Song.
Yeah.
He's our man. Right now we're getting ready to send off the drone.
Okay, so yeah, here we will.
But look at this. That's pretty amazing. So it's an intricate operation we've got going on here. Ben's behind me. Oh, I can see it. Yep, I just saw it above those trees. Ben's behind me flying the drone to try to follow us, but as you can see we are so totally surrounded by trees and bush and jungle, and look at that. Look at how crystal clear that water is. We've lost the drone, so we're turning around. Our paddler's quite amazing. He's just done us a full U-turn just in this little section.
I just can't see us because of the foliage.
This is gorgeous. Poor Ben's not getting to enjoy it because he's face down into the drone. He's watching her here. You might need to duck. Look, there it comes forward.
Go around and do that again, like just go down to that tree and then come back again.
This is a pretty cool way to come and see the Blue Hole, paddling into here in the canoe. It's pretty amazing. Look at the clarity, look how clear that water is.